Ever imagine a world without banks, a world where the traditional financial institutions no longer hold the keys to your financial freedom? Picture a landscape where the power to manage, grow, and control your wealth is entirely in your hands. A world where you control your money, no more waiting for bank approvals, no more hidden fees, and no more middlemen, just you and your digital wallet, navigating the financial seas with unprecedented autonomy. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. It's a high-stakes game, a thrilling ride that combines the excitement of the stock market with the cutting-edge technology of digital currencies. Imagine the stock market, but open 24/7, globally connected and driven by digital currencies. No closing bells, no geographical boundaries, just a continuous flow of opportunities and challenges, accessible from anywhere in the world. That's the thrill of crypto trading, a revolution in finance. It's not just a new way to trade, it's a new way to think about money, investment, and the global economy. It's a paradigm shift that's redefining the rules of the game. This isn't just about buying low and selling high, it's about diving deep into the technology that underpins these digital assets. Understanding blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized finance is crucial to navigating this new landscape. It's about understanding the technology, the trends, and the risks. The crypto market is volatile, and while the potential for high returns is there, so is the potential for significant losses. Knowledge and strategy are your best allies. It's about being part of a financial movement that's changing the world. Cryptocurrencies are not just a new asset class, they represent a shift towards a more inclusive and decentralized financial system. A system where everyone has a chance to participate and prosper. Are you ready to dive in? To take control of your financial future and be part of this groundbreaking movement? The world of cryptocurrency trading awaits, offering endless possibilities for those willing to learn, adapt, and take calculated risks. So gear up, educate yourself, and step into this new era of trading with confidence and curiosity. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies secured by cryptography. They operate independently of governments and central banks. Think of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. These are the big players. They use blockchain technology, a secure, transparent digital ledger. Trading crypto is like trading stocks, but with more volatility. You buy and sell on exchanges, aiming to profit from price fluctuations. It's fast-paced, exciting, and requires careful strategy. Why do people trade crypto? The potential for high returns is a major draw. Early adopters of Bitcoin saw life-changing profits. Crypto markets are volatile, meaning prices can swing dramatically. This volatility creates opportunities for savvy traders. Beyond profits, crypto offers financial freedom and accessibility. It's a decentralized system free from traditional banking constraints. This opens doors for individuals and economies globally. Crypto trading is not without risks. High volatility means potential for big losses as well as gains. Scams and security breaches are a constant threat. Regulation is still evolving, adding another layer of uncertainty. Before you trade, educate yourself. Understand the technology, the risks, and the market dynamics. Start small, diversify your investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Exchanges are platforms where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. These platforms act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, facilitating transactions and providing a secure environment for trading. They offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from well-known ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. Think of them as digital marketplaces for crypto. Just like stock exchanges, they provide a venue for trading, but instead of stocks, you're dealing with digital assets. These marketplaces operate 24/7, allowing you to trade at any time from anywhere in the world. Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, these are some of the biggest names in the industry. Each of these platforms has built a reputation for reliability, security, and a wide range of available cryptocurrencies. They offer various tools and features to help you make informed trading decisions. Each exchange has its own fees, features, and security measures. For instance, some may charge higher transaction fees but offer advanced trading tools, while others might have lower fees but fewer features. Security is also a critical factor, with some exchanges providing insurance for your assets and others offering advanced security protocols. It's important to research and choose an exchange that aligns with your trading needs and risk tolerance. Consider factors such as the range of cryptocurrencies offered, the user interface, customer support, and the overall reputation of the exchange. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations can also be helpful. Remember to secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Regularly updating your security settings and being aware of phishing scams can further protect your investments. Always stay vigilant and prioritize the security of your assets. Technical analysis is key to successful crypto trading. It involves studying price charts, identifying patterns, and predicting future price movements. Traders use indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to make informed decisions. Learning technical analysis takes time and practice. There are numerous online resources, courses, and books available. Mastering these tools can really give you an edge in the volatile crypto market. There are various trading strategies for different risk appetites. Day trading involves frequent buying and selling within a day, capitalizing on small price movements. Swing trading aims to profit from price swings over days or weeks. Long-term investing or hodling involves holding crypto for extended periods, believing in its long-term potential. Choose a strategy that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Your digital assets are vulnerable to hacking and theft. Use hardware wallets for offline storage of your crypto. These devices offer the highest level of protection. Be wary of phishing scams and suspicious emails. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Protecting your crypto is an ongoing responsibility. Cryptocurrency is more than just an investment. It represents a paradigm shift in finance. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries beyond finance, from supply chain management to healthcare. As crypto adoption grows, so too will its impact on the global economy. Understanding crypto today could position you for success in the future of finance. Cryptocurrency trading offers a world of opportunity for those willing to learn and adapt. It's a realm where fortunes can be made, but also where risks are ever present. The key to navigating this landscape is a blend of knowledge, strategy, and caution. It's a dynamic, exciting, and potentially lucrative field. The fast-paced nature of the market means that opportunities can arise and disappear in the blink of an eye. Staying informed and being able to act quickly are crucial skills for any trader. Remember, knowledge is your greatest asset. The more you understand about market trends, financial instruments, and trading strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Never underestimate the power of continuous learning. Continue your education, research thoroughly, and trade responsibly. Dive deep into financial news, analyze charts, and stay updated with the latest market developments. Responsible trading means not just aiming for profits, but also managing risks effectively. The future of finance awaits. With advancements in technology, the trading landscape is constantly evolving. Embrace these changes, leverage new tools, and stay ahead of the curve to maximize your trading potential. For educational purposes only, trading involves risks. It's important to remember that while the potential for profit is high, so is the potential for loss. Always trade with caution and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Share this with your friends, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more insights on smart crypto trading. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and support. Let's grow and learn together in this exciting journey of cryptocurrency trading.